Welcome to my channel, How to Make $100 a Day Online. In today's digital age, there are many ways to make money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some extra cash, there are countless opportunities available to you. If you're looking to make $100 a day, there are a few strategies you can use to reach this goal. Leverage your skills. One of the easiest ways to make money online is by leveraging your existing skills. If you're a graphic designer, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. If you're a writer, you can create articles or blog posts for websites and earn money based on your writing skills. If you're good at a specific task, you can offer your services on sites like TaskRabbit or People Per Hour to help people get the work done they need. Sell your products or services online. Another way to make money online is by selling products or services. If you have a skill or knowledge that others are willing to pay for, you can sell your services on websites like Udemy or Teachable. You can also create and sell digital products, like ebooks or courses, on platforms like Gumroad or Selfie. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another strategy you can use to make money online. In this model, you promote a product or service on your website or blog and receive a commission for any sales made through your affiliate link. To start earning money with affiliate marketing, you need to find products or services that are relevant to your audience and promote them on your site. There are many affiliate networks you can join, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank, that offer a wide range of products to promote. Paid advertising. Paid advertising is another option for making money online. With paid advertising, you can earn money by placing ads on your website or blog. There are many different types of ads you can use, including display ads, text ads, and sponsored posts. To get started with paid advertising, you need to sign up for an advertising network, like Google AdSense, and place ads on your site. Create and sell a mobile app. Creating and selling a mobile app can also be a lucrative way to make money online. If you have a great idea for an app, you can create it yourself or hire a developer to create it for you. You can then sell your app on the App Store or Google Play to reach a large audience. Participate in online surveys. Finally, participating in online surveys is another way to make money online. There are many survey sites, such as SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks, that pay you to take surveys and provide your opinion. While these sites may not make you $100 a day, they can provide you with a steady stream of income if you participate regularly. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online, and making $100 a day is within reach for many people. By leveraging your skills, selling products or services, participating in affiliate marketing, paid advertising, creating and selling a mobile app, or participating in online surveys, you can reach your goal and start earning money online. Before getting to know how you can make passive money blogging, let me guess why you are thinking about blogging in the first place. Maybe you're thinking about blogging because you're a good writer and want to earn passive income, or maybe you heard someone has been earning a lot through blogging and you thought, why not give it a try? Well, whatever your reasons are, this video guide will help you get started. Start a blog. The first stage in the process is to create a blog and launch it. In many ways, this is the easiest part. There are a few things to keep in mind, though, if you want to get it right the first time. You have to choose a name for your blog, customize it, get it online, and write and publish the first post. You can call yourself a blogger if you've done all this. Monetize your blog. It's one thing to have a blog, but you're not setting up a blog to keep a journal of your thoughts online. The reason you want to start a blog is to generate real passive money, which means that you have to monetize your blog. There are many ways through which you can monetize your blog, some of them are listed below. Affiliate marketing. 1. Once your website has a consistent flow of visitors, you may use affiliate links to profit from the traffic. You don't even need to have your products or services to use this strategy. You just drive traffic to other people's items in exchange for a commission on any sales. 2. Post ads. Advertisers will pay for a banner advertisement on your blog that functions as a digital billboard. They usually pay you based on your blog's statistics. Monthly traffic, engagement, conversion rate, and so forth are examples of these statistical measures. You can charge more if your numbers are impressive. 3. Sell digital products. Building a loyal audience with high-value free content is one of the finest monetization techniques. Then you may upsell digital things like ebooks and courses to your followers. 4. Automate and outsource your blog. Find and integrate tools that automate the activities you're tired of doing into your blogging routine. You can automate small and tedious tasks that are needed to be done while you can focus on the main and important tasks. There is a limit to what you can automate. Sooner or later you will have to outsource some tasks that require professionalism and creativity to skilled personnel. For that, you'll have to create a team that will help you meet your goals. Fiverr is a great outsourcing platform to hire professionals at an affordable cost for all your blogging requirements. You can hire freelancers and virtual assistants for these particular tasks. It's not necessary to automate and outsource everything at the same time, being with the most time-consuming and boring activities. Wrapping up. By following the steps mentioned above, you can easily start earning passive income, and who knows how much you can earn? $100, $500, $1,000, or more? It's all up to you. Smile. I hope you enjoyed reading my video. If you are serious about creating a passive income business, then you need to check out this exclusive video that will show you how you can bring in $1,000 or more per day without a product or a website.